Hey, if you're looking for a Sawzall, but you don't want to have to deal with one that's so heavy and lug around everywhere, I'd recommend this Hackzaw by Milwaukee. It is definitely one of my go-to cutting off or cutting off devices that's used just like a hacksaw, but it's a lot lighter. You could hold it with one hand, whether you're holding a pipe on the other hand, and it definitely carves through wood. I've used it to cut metal before. I actually have a demo blade on it right now, but also for piping too as well, if you work with a lot of PVC pipes as well. So this is the fuel model one because I use it a lot more than my regular hacksaw, but this one right here, the handheld one, is definitely one of my favorite all-time devices here. We use it all the time. I live on a farm. And let me give you an idea on how I use it. So I have an extra pipe here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how easy it is to really cut. Let me go ahead and get this piece that's here. I mean, cuts it in no time whatsoever. Definitely worth looking at. Definitely. Let me go ahead and cut another one. And this is with a this is more of a demo blade that I'm actually using. So let me. So that actually broke that one off on that one. That's not a good example of it. But at the end of the day, it cuts great. I would use a different blade if you're cutting PVC. I just wanted to grab something quick for you guys to kind of see what it is. But take a look at it. The handheld Fuel Milwaukee Hackzaw.